What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And well, on today's video I'm going to show y'all some of the clips I got of one of the pythons caught whenever I was in Florida. Ended up being 16 foot 2 inches long, and I believe it weighed 107 pounds. This is actually one of the pythons that I caught whenever I was with one of the contractors that had met up there. Huge shout out to him taking me out there and having an opportunity to go out there and bag one of them. And well, for this one I didn't have my tripod set up and don't have the best footage of it, but I got some GoPro footage and I got some other video after we euthanized it. Oh, there it is behind you.
Is it?
Yep.
Sorry.
No, you're good, man.
Dude, look at this thing. Holy shit. It's a big one. You said it's a big one and I knew it.
Ah, yeah.
Holy shit.
Trying to get him to open his mouth.
Every bit of 14, maybe 15 foot. All right.
They're bigger around in your leg.
That's all right. Let's walk him up. Let's walk him up in front of the truck. Yeah, it's all good. Wrapped around your foot. Wait. Can you get your foot out?
Yep, give me 1 second.
Wait. Here. Let's switch real quick. God damn. Wait, give me 1 second. Okay.
Hold right there, don't pull, don't pull.
I can help you, Good job. Good job.
We got a nice one.